Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're like me and the thought of having to do a multi-step skincare routine every morning and night just makes you so overwhelmed, you need to get this 5-in-1 formula from Too Cool for School. This Egg Mellow Cream all-in-one is a 5-in-1 firming moisturizer. It takes that daunting skincare routine and simplifies it into one little bottle. It will help keep your skin looking smooth and firm and increase your skin's elasticity. This formula not only smells amazing, but it also feels so good on my skin. I really appreciate all of the hard work that has gone into creating this moisturizer. As a girl in her mid-30s, I am so excited to have this as part of my skincare routine. It is going to help me keep my skin looking fresh and youthful. I really think that this K-Beauty essential has to be in your skincare routine. I am completely in love with it. My skin has felt and looked fantastic ever since I started using this. If you're like me and you are looking to simplify your skincare routine while still getting the best quality ingredients, pick up this Egg Mellow Cream by Too Cool for School. You are going to be completely in love with it, and that is my point of view.